Okay, so I've added a couple of controls here, an add to cart button and a list box that will represent the user's cart, at least visually here on the form. So why don't we write some code so that when the user is looking at a specific cookie and they click the add to cart button, that cookie name and maybe even the price, we'll concatenate the price to it as well, will be added to this list box. Okay, so let me double click the add to cart button, and basically you know how to add an item to a list box at runtime, which is what we're doing here now. So we'll reach into that items collection and then the add method. Okay, so I want to add the name of the cookie that is currently being viewed or currently selected, in the LST cookies. So I could just go right after the selected item property. Whatever is selected in here, that selected item property is going to have that value in it. Like if it's the Samoas, for example, selected item is going to have Samoas in it. So, and then, which is what I want to add to this box. So why don't we do that? We'll say LST cookies dot selected item. Okay, I guess I can get away without putting a toString on that. We'll see if things stay that way. Let's just test it and see where we stand. Okay, so I will add that one. Yeah, so far so good. Okay, and you know we'll just keep this simple. We won't worry about duplicates or anything like that. And then I think maybe we will also append the price to the list box so the user knows what they're spending. Maybe I'll stretch this out a little bit too. So here we go. Okay. Just give myself a little more space in here. And all right, so back to this. Why don't we, maybe we can concatenate a dash or something. And then we'll concatenate the price. Now the price we'll just pull right out of the prices array. I suppose we could pull it out of here as well. I think there's a, it's hard to see. There's a, oh yeah, I think it's right. Yeah, there's a tiny label here that reflects the price of the currently viewed item. I'll just pull it right out of the array. We can just as easily pluck it out of there. So prices, again, that selected index property of the LST cookies, that's the key to unlock any of the data that we want. Okay, and then let's see here. Okay. I think I will probably have to concatenate or put a toString on this, and you know I will go ahead and format that currency style as well. So that should do it. Just taking the name and then a dash, concatenating a dash, and then concatenating the price, formatted currency style. Again, pulling the price out of the prices array using the selected index of this one, okay, which will just, then you have that straight shot right into the array where we want that data, where we're looking for that price of that specific cookie. Okay. You can see, let's do one of these at the bottom, the $6 ones. Okay, so not too bad, not too bad. I think in the next video we'll do like maybe a checkout button that will allow us to get a running total of how much the user is spending.